Hi there, I'm going to show you how to use Speedgrader real quick. So over on the left side there are the student names, which I hid for privacy reasons. But I'm going to just use this for an example, but let's just pretend it's the final evaluation. The students upload this to the final evaluation column. So you can press on this arrow here and you see Speedgrader. So this is the easiest way to go to it, and then it just goes above this line here. There's arrows that you can go from one assignment to the next. So I'm scrolling through here quick. Okay, so the way that you can edit is either you can use these up here to add comments, but my suggestion is to actually go over here and download the actual file, and then you can fill in underneath the students or wherever you fill it in for the final evaluation, because that way you can type very specific comments. And then what you do is you click on file attachment and then you upload that specific file that you did. You can make extra comments if you'd like, but you can leave it all in there. And that way it's submitted. So then on week 15, the last day of clinical, you go into the computer and you can go through this with the student. The only thing the student needs to upload that day or the next day is the last page of the final eval, because it has the signature forms. And so they sign it, you sign it, they're responsible for uploading it to the same place here, and that way it's all set. So you don't have to send anything to me to get to Brenda. Everything will be in Canvas. If you have any questions, let me know.